Hey everybody, this is Lee from BaldThoughts, where we teach you how to travel more, spend less, and live better. And so again, I'm getting ready to go out on an awesome date with my wife, and I wanted some really nice looking shoes to kind of go with my Bluffworks jacket and the nice pants I have. So I ordered these shoes from Beckett Simonon. They look really sharp online, but it's a way to kind of look good without breaking the bank. And the process is a little bit different. You know, a lot of other companies, they have a lot of different inventory that's just sitting there waiting on the shelves, collecting dust, things like that. But instead, what Beckett Simonon does is they actually pre-order the shoes based on all the customer requests. So what you do is find the shoes you like, order them online, and then when they have enough orders, basically they kind of batch them all together, make them, ship them right to you. Perfect, and it's a way to save a lot of money, because that way they don't have a lot of inventory sitting there collecting dust. They don't have a lot of money sitting there waiting that they've invested in the inventory, just waiting for somebody to buy it. And it's a great way to do things. So when you go to their site, you can see that they have a lot of timeless styles that just really don't go out of style. All the shoes are made to order, so you know they're going to fit excellent. And then on top of that, they use eco-friendly sourcing for all their materials. So you know that they're not going out there and just doing a lot of bad stuff. So what I ordered is the Durant Oxford Brogues in calfskin leather. They're tan. They look absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look inside. So they get sent in this good looking box here. Open it up. Check this out. So I like that they have the shoes actually individually wrapped in their own satchel. So let's take a look here. And so nice way to keep them nice and clean. Make sure that after you're wearing them out, if you're traveling with them, put them back in these nice bags. That way keep your shoes clean, keep your clothes clean. And so here we go. Look at that. That looks smooth, right? Got the nice detail with the holes in the stitching all the way around. That's going to look super sharp. That looks nice. So some of the stuffing. Obviously, this was in there to keep all the shape. We don't need that anymore. Got a nice laces. Yeah, this is going to look sharp tonight. So that's one. See what else we got inside the bag. Got the bag for that one. Obviously got the matching set, so we got that one as well. That looks really cool. Again, so there we go. That's the business right there. So we got all that, and then if you need additional pads, kind of keep your feet feeling good. And they include additional laces as well. So obviously laces, they eventually wear out. So it's nice to have an extra set handy, just in case, So again, we're gonna have the links for Beckett Simonon in the show notes below. Go ahead and take a look. I recommend these shoes. They're fabulous, absolutely beautiful. They're gonna go well. Look at this compared to my blue suit. That's gonna look sharp. So take a look. That's the way to go. All right, everybody. Beckett Simonon, that's the way to go. Get some shoes, look good, make sure you impress your wife, impress your girlfriend, or go out there and find yourself a new lady. All right, everybody. Have a good one.